We are What Adventures. I'm Sasha.
And I'm Karl.
And this video is all about who we are and why start a YouTube channel in 2019.
Welcome to our channel where we post regular videos every single week on travel and adventures, travel tips and hacks, and all the healthy stuff in between. If you're passionate about something and bursting to share it with others, it's probably about time you start your own YouTube channel, and it's never too late. The channel is always looking for more creators, so get started in 2019.
We have finally got started on here. It's been a long time coming, and if you haven't already figured out from our previous videos, then here's a video of who we are and what we are about.
I'm a professional filmmaker, marketeer, and social media manager. I travel a lot making videos for international brands and including our own brand that we've just created, What Adventures. I'm totally in love with motorsports, and any chance I get to get on a dirt bike and ride off-road, I will. I also scuba dive any chance we get near water, and I'm totally keen and motivated to learn stuff.
I'm a yoga teacher, copywriter, and editor, all of which fits perfectly in line with our mission to create content online. Together, we decided to create content of our adventures, support the world with eco-living, a lot of learning, documenting our experiences, and sharing them with you.
I've called Dubai home now for almost 12 years, and the U.A.E in general, Sasha's always called home. Although I'm from Britain and fled the UK early on, I got a feel for expat life very soon. I got married to my superhero and turned her into a Brindian. British Indian? Brindian? Moving on.
Although we are based out of Dubai and have built most of our network over here in tourism, media, and fitness, we have big plans coming for our channel and brand online. We will be traveling the world documenting adventures and discovering and supporting eco communities.
Now, these are some huge plans that we've got for this year, which we'll be revealing soon in another video. But what I can share with you is that we'll be selling up, leaving home, and traveling the world full time.
We are so excited to share all of this with you, and our vision is to motivate and inspire you to get out there, live an active and healthy life, see the world, and show you that there is so much more to life than just the 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, so whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started out with seeing what it's like traveling and you want to go, we will share our stories and experiences here, and we'd love to also hear about yours. So there is a comment section below. Let's build a community here. Share any of your questions and your experiences in the comment below. I'm so psyched to get this going. So that's it from us in this intro video. I hope this has given you a chance to get to know us a little bit more. We're also very active on Instagram and Facebook, so please do connect with us there. And if you find this content and what we're going to be doing and what we are doing beneficial, let us know by hitting that like button. And we love to see our subscribers grow. Already from what it's gone to what it is now, we're super psyched. So if you are new here, hit the subscribe button. We post videos every single week, so don't forget to hit the bell button and you'll be notified when we do post. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.